Yeah.
Oh.
You're like, please no. Please no camera.
Let's see the shoes.
Yes.
Very nice.
My awesome shoes.
Okay, do a serious, but a smile. Oh, stop. What did you say? I have to check him before you go away. What'd you say? What did he say? Josh.
He like moved my dress that was right here, and he's like, I didn't mean to touch your butt. You went Skylar, out of all people.
Okay. That's probably good.